Hey there, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest tech gadgets and innovations. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with the Phrozen Sonic Mega 8Ks. This beast of a printer promises to take your resin printing game to the next level. So, let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about size. This thing is massive, with a build volume that rivals standard FDM printers. The Sonic Mega 8Ks is perfect for large-scale projects or print farms. But be warned, it does come with a mammoth-sized footprint, so make sure you've got the space for it. Now, let's talk specs. With a 15-inch monochrome LCD screen and a resolution of 43 microns, this printer delivers detailed prints with stunning accuracy. Plus, it boasts a lightning-fast normal exposure time of just 2.7 seconds, ensuring quick and efficient printing. Setting up the Sonic Mega 8Ks is a breeze. It comes fully assembled right out of the box, so you can get started printing in no time. And thanks to its factory calibration, you can trust that your prints will come out perfectly every time. Speaking of prints, let's talk about the quality. I tested this printer with a variety of models, from intricate miniatures to large-scale props, and I was blown away by the results. The details were crisp, the surfaces were smooth, and the prints popped right off the build plate with ease. Of course, no 3D printing process is complete without post-processing. After printing, you'll need to wash and cure your prints to achieve the best results. Luckily, Phrozen offers oversized wash and cure stations designed specifically for the Sonic Mega 8Ks, making post-processing a breeze. In conclusion, the Phrozen Sonic Mega 8Ks is a powerhouse of a resin 3D printer. While it may come with a hefty price tag and a mammoth-sized footprint, its exceptional print quality and user-friendly design make it a must-have for print farms or anyone looking to upsize their resin printing experience. And that wraps up our review of the Phrozen Sonic Mega 8Ks. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.